Welcome to the second part of our Facebook Pixel series. You're watching Copy and Ads. In today's video, we will show you how to set up your Facebook Pixel on your Facebook page and to your website. There is nothing too technical. Any social media advertiser can do it as long as you have access to your website. But before that, just a quick reminder, if you haven't fully understood how Facebook Pixel works and how it will increase your target reach more than ever, make sure to watch our 2-minute video explainer and introduction about Facebook Pixel. Now, there are 3 main steps in getting started with your Pixel. Number 1 is to manually install it directly to your website. Number 2 option is to use a partner integration if you don't want to touch your website code and just install your Pixel ID by following simple step-by-step instruction Facebook has. Or you want to have another means of getting reports and analytics from your advertisements, like the use of Google Tag Manager. Now for the Tag Manager, you have to have an account first before directly installing and connecting your Pixel to your website. We have a separate quick tutorial in this one. Feel free to check it out at the end of this video or navigate through our channel and find how to set up Facebook Pixel using Google Tag Manager, the complete guide. Number 3 is to simply get the Pixel code and email the installation instructions to your web developer or anyone who can do the update for you. So let's get started with the first option, installing Facebook Pixel directly on your website. First, you need a Facebook page and website. To start with, type in business.facebook.com. You will have to go to the Business Manager because that's where you're going to take your Pixel code. If your Facebook page isn't listed on your list of businesses yet, just click Create Business to add in your page. In my case, I have Copy and Ads already added. You can go back to it later on to add more details such as legal name of business, address, website, email, and others. On the upper right part corner, you will find the Events Manager from the data sources. Facebook Pixel comes first. You can name your Pixel whatever you want. In my case, I want it named the same as my business. Now we will go with the manual installation first. Once opened, simply copy the code, go to your website where you can paste it on the bottom of the header section or above the head tag and on every page of your website. If you are using WordPress and you decided to go to the manual setup, first you have to install the header and footer section plugin to be able to copy and paste your Pixel code. From the plugin, type in Insert Header and Footer section, click Install, and then Activate. You can find it from the settings and then add your Pixel code to the snippet in Header. Click Save and test your Pixel. You must be able to see your Pixel firing from your Chrome extension or the active status from the Events Manager. Another way to set up your Pixel is through the use of partner integration. If you're using any of these like Squarespace, Shopify, Wix, you will find specific examples for each and you will spare yourselves from the coding. As I've mentioned, we have a separate video for the Google Tag Manager as it requires adding HTML tag when it's your first time to connect an account. But here, we will show you an example of one commonly used partner. I'm sure many of us are using WordPress, so allow me to focus on that one. It's not very complicated, especially Facebook provides detailed instructions for each step. From the same screen, you can get your zip file of Pixel extension, click Download, Upload Plugin, select the Facebook zip file and activate your plugin. You can find your Pixel from the settings. Your Pixel ID will automatically appear. Just save the changes and get ready to test your Pixel. If you have a Facebook page and would like to have an even more competitive advertising methods, we highly encourage you to get started and set up your Pixel. If you think this is helpful, give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button for the next episode of our Facebook Pixel series.